Feeling tired and discouraged despite your best efforts to eat well and exercise? At Biobi Health, we believe the answer may be hidden in your metabolism. Age, environmental toxins, and the North American lifestyle can slow your metabolism down, causing fatigue, brain fog, and a state of chronic low-grade inflammation in your body. It's like you're carrying around extra rocks in your backpack without knowing it. Our precision testing and personalized lifestyle and supplement protocols are built to detect and remove those rocks, so you can walk around lightly with a renewed sense of vitality and energy. I'm Dr. Obayashi, founder of Biobi Health, and after practicing medicine for over 15 years, my new focus is improving mental and physical performance and preventing disease instead of reacting to it. Instead of just finding a pill for every ill, I want to look deeper and find the underlying root cause of your health concern and fix it. Let me give you a concrete example. We all know about the rise of microplastics and hormone-disrupting pollutants in our environment, but did you know we can actually test for them in your body and check how your metabolism is reacting to them? And most importantly, we can get rid of them naturally by improving your detoxification pathways. Once the toxins are removed, you're in the maintenance phase where your body can repair itself so you can reach your full potential. We combine your symptoms, precision testing, and genetics into a summarized Biobi Health plan, which contains your unique priming, detox, and maintenance supplement protocol.